What is up, everybody? Hope you guys are all doing well. My name is David and I handle all of the e-commerce aspects at SUBIEWOO. And not too long ago, I actually picked up my own personal Subaru. Here's a picture of it. And you know, we've had such a privilege of being able to work with such amazing companies, and our guys over at Maxpeedingrods sent us over a box of coilovers. So I know we're not in the garage or anything like that to come though, but we're gonna do a little unboxing on the coilovers they sent us, and yeah, let's check it out. Oh snap. First look at the coilovers. Maxpeedingrods specializes in a ton of different parts: connecting rods, turbochargers, coils, suspension. Anything you need for your vehicle will be linked down below in the top of the description. Check it out. I might need two hands for this, but it looks like it's just look at this meaty thing. And looks like we have all 4 coilovers individually wrapped. Looks like we have the adjusters right here. Super straightforward, and I'm sure anyone who's purchased coilovers or a suspension setup knows what it comes with, but I just wanted to give you guys a first-hand look of what the Maxpeed racing coilovers look like. These ones specifically are for the 2008 to 2014 WRX. Let's see if I can open one of these. Let's go! Oh man, these are gonna be so nice. Finally can get rid of that wheel gap on the hatch. I'm curious how the orange is gonna look on the dark gray metallic. We might have to do something with that, but these things are looking awesome. All right, we got the thumbnail. Yo, these things are actually mad heavy. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little unboxing video. As you guys can see, these things are absolutely brand new, and I'm super excited to get these on the WRX. I'm not 100% sure when we will actually get these installed, hopefully in the next week or so stay tuned for that. Make sure to check out Maxpeedingrods. All of their stuff will be linked below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we're hoping to push out more content just on a regular basis, whether it be about, you know, our actual staff vehicles or just, you know, general Subaru content. So thank you all for watching, and make sure to check out the links down below. Maxpeedingrods, thank you guys so much for sending out these coilovers. Cannot wait to get these things installed. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Peace.